Friends, I've been with you almost every day by giving my views, one day in Hindi and the other day in English. Today is the time for presenting my views in English on the eve of the World Environment Day. So we shall discuss today the history of the World Environment Day and further developments till date. My dear friends, you will be pleased to know that the United Nations felt the need of having a World Conference on Human Environment long back, way back in the year 1972. It was held in Stockholm, which is the capital of Sweden, which is a country in Europe. Most of the heads of government were invited to see the future of our environment, although there is to be no Ministry of Environment anywhere. That time, the Prime Minister of our country also went there, participated there, along with the team members, where there was keynote address from India side, where it was stated that poverty is the worst form of pollution. So, people were knowing that air pollution, noise pollution, and water pollution, etc. But poverty is also a kind of pollution. So, we have to eradicate poverty, and how shall poverty alleviation programs will be organized was also discussed there. It was further resolved in Stockholm that every year, on the occasion of this day, which is 5th June 1972, United Nations thought of establishing a United Nations Environment Program. There are many such divisions in the UN system. One of them is UNEP, United Nations Environment Program. And UNEP was asked to declare 5th June as the World Environment Day. That was 1972. Then in 73, it was decided that preparations will be there for organizing this World Environment Day. Countries were informed. So informally, no doubt it was observed on 5th June, but formally from the year 1974 till this year, you will be pleased to know that every year on this day, all over the world, in almost all the 200 countries of the world, this day is celebrated and observed. And thousands of kinds of activities are held. It could be a tree plantation, it could be discussion, it could be essay competition, it could be debate competition, painting competition, dance and drama competition, elocution, or seminars, symposia, conferences, congress, summits, group discussions, exhibitions. Different types of activities are held, and every year a country is selected, which is the lead country. This year the lead country is Colombia. There was a time when India was also a lead country, and most of the countries are being covered from wherever the invitation comes to the United Nations Environment Program. From the year 1974 till this year, that is 2020, every year a theme is selected, either on nature or pollution, or for that matter mankind or livelihood, or for that matter biodiversity and biotechnology, depending on the requirement. Sometimes it is forest, sometimes it is sea, sometimes it is mountains. So this year the topic and the main theme is biodiversity, which is a very important topic. We know that there are millions of species in this world, and we have to preserve them, because the way we are polluting our environment, not caring for our Mother Earth protection, there will be time that half of these species will be extinct, and there will be unbalance in the environment, which will lead to many problems. So, thinking of that, tomorrow also there will be programs. So we call upon all the world citizenry in general and the Indian citizenry in particular to observe this World Environment Day by also having different types of programs. It could be tree plantation because monsoon is coming in India. Tree plantation is a good activity, and because there is a COVID-19, so we have to remember as to how to conduct these programs. We have to maintain social distancing while planting trees, but for seminars and webinars we have to do it electronically, and all these topics will be covered by different universities, colleges and schools. With these words, I thank you very much and wish you a very happy World Environment Day tomorrow. May peace prevail on this Mother Earth.